Graphic Audio presents an audio guide to WarBreaker by the best-selling author Brandon Sanderson. Presented in rich, vivid graphic audio. A movie in your mind. WarBreaker's a step away from the classic fantasy novel. The listener will be brought to a lush, tropical world where gods and goddesses walk among men, and magic is the common link between all living beings. The story takes place in the city of Hallandren, set in a deep, rich rainforest. The city is bursting with color and life. Its many marketplaces and waterfronts are alive and abundant with sounds, sights, and wonders. Hallandren is the home of the gods, literally. High up on a hill, the gods sit in their palaces and watch over their subjects, interacting with them, trying to make their lives better. And residing in the largest palace on the hill is the god king Suzabron, a mysterious and powerful being whose legend is known even amongst the gods themselves. Surrounded in myth and legend, the God King makes an imposing figure, one that Princess Ciri has absolutely no desire to meet, nonetheless marry. But in a moment of weakness, Ciri's father, King Dedalin of Idris, promises her hand in marriage to that of the fabled God King. Alone and completely unsure of herself, Ciri is sent to the city of Hallandren to marry the God King and see if she can bargain for peace between her home city of Idris and the God King's city-state. As Ciri arrives in Hallandren, she quickly realizes that not all is well within the ranks of the gods. Through whispered conversations and strange interactions, she soon learns that the deception that lies just beneath the facade of the God King goes far deeper than she ever could have imagined. Plunged into a world of lies and intrigue, Ciri will try to unravel the mystery of the God King of Hallandren, and will come to realize that there is danger lurking around every corner, and the God King may be the least of her worries.